Hey guys, what is going on? Cucumber King here, and thank you guys so much for 32 subscribers. I asked for 30, you guys gave me 32, and I just want to say thank you. And let's get back to my YouTube play button. Hey, so guys, what I'm gonna do now is every time I hit so I'm starting to do it. So 30 subscribers, I'll build a YouTube play button for myself. 45 subscribers, I'll build a YouTube play button. 50, I'll definitely build one. 60, I'll build one. 70, I'll build one. 80, I'll build one. 90, I'll build one. 100, I'll build a big one. So, not all out of Legos. I'm not going to build all these. But this one will definitely be out of Legos. The other ones will be out of different materials and things. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go into my whole Lego filled closet and see what I can find, build what I can build, and I'm going to build myself the greatest YouTube play button ever. Alright, let's get the time left. So, hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my YouTube play button right here. And this is my 30 subscriber YouTube play button. Thank you guys so much. And I can't wait for Tuesday, when I post another gaming video. Thank you all again, and goodbye. So, bye!